I guide you to remove two-factor authentication on your Instagram. For that, make sure you have logged into your Instagram for removing two-factor authentication. And go to your Instagram, click on the profile, go to top three lines. There in the top, you can find account center. You can go to password and security. There in the login and recovery, you can find two-factor authentication. If you go for the Instagram, here it will ask you to the SMS and or the WhatsApp code that is turned on. And if you tap on that, and if you tap on this toggle, that will be, if you tap on turn off, then it will automatically turn off two-factor authentication, and your account will no longer have an extra protection. So make sure you remove two-factor authentication. After that, you don't have an extra protection for your Instagram. You just need a username and a password to log into the Instagram. This is how you can remove two-factor authentication on your Instagram. Thank you.